Yeah, bafethu eish sihleli la sibhizi nge-charts kahle kahle la. Sibhizi nge-charts, busy nge-charts, busy nge-charts, busy nge-charts, busy nge-charts. Yabo. So yeah, I know ngisemphantweni la first ngihleli endlini. I'm hustling, you know. I'm hustling. Ngenza forex trading at the moment, ngiya-trader. You know what I mean? I'm changing my situation, you know, and I'm doing this because of sifuna ukukhula man, you know. Sifuna ukukhula empilweni, sizama uku-impacta impilo yethu ne-family yethu and future generation. What is happening here is I've came across forex while I was growing, you know, because I've decided to change mindset yami, to change consciousness yami, you know what I mean? And it came to a point where I've realized I have to try to do something because there is no opportunity for us out there, you know. And nobody has told us about money, you know, specifically about money. Basitshela ukuthi just vexing some sosebenza, you know. And once you join that system, you are being manipulated because that machine is a running machine which was created back then about Rockefeller, about JP Morgan, and before them they create ma Greek, betshontshelwa ma Africans, and bayinikeza ma Roman Empire, Christianity, you know, and what you call it, the Great Britain, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and there's a lot that has happened back then, which is we're not aware and we're not being told at school. So siyakhohliswa la sikhonjiswa nje information ofana sikhonjiswe sinikeza information useless, in fact, ezokwenza ukuthi ube umsebenzi which is uzocatshangelwa i-system. You don't have to think for yourself. Kuba ngathi wena wazi lutho kanti wena we are more than that, you know. If bekukhombisa direction, your mind can start to create patterns to that direction, you know what I mean? Because what is important is to build the pattern which is you believe in, which is you will stay on it and be consistent. Because it's not about now, it's about a long-term game, you know. It's all about a movement. It's all about the person that you're becoming, you know. You cannot just be willing to be wealthy but you're not willing to put the work. You're not willing to change the person that we are. Because ukuceba mfethu, ukuceba nje ukuba nemali mfethu akusiyo into evele iqhamuka iyenzeka nje, you know. Even though siyifuna imali, but we have to try to change indlela esibuka ngayo imali, esazi ngayo imali, si-understanda ngayo imali. Imali ayisetshenziselwe mfethu uvuke ekuseni uyasebenzela imali. That is exchanging your time, yabo. That's is to wake up and exchange your skill. If you're skillful, if you're artisan, if you're doctor, if you're nurse, if you teach, in order for you to make money at the end of the day, bayakukhokhela ngokuthi wena you providing that service. You know what I mean? So yeah, when usebenza under system, let me make an example. Kunodokotela oyesikole oye-varsity efundela ubodokotela ehambe public clinics, public hospitals, you know. Khona abanye abaya kuma-private hospital, khona abanye abavula ama-surgery abo, khona abanye abavula, you know, ababa ngama-private doctor bavula iy'khungo zabo where abasebenzela khona. Yeah, so i-mentality ihlukile ukuthi wena ubani. The way you think is determine the how can I put this? The capacity of your mind will be determined about the person that you are. you know. So who you are is based on the person that you are daily, the person that you think to be. You know what I mean? So yeah. So what I'm trying to say, kunothisha oye esikoleni ofunda varsity business study, was economics or was economics, was business study. Economics determines of was a business study economics. You can start a business if you understand economics, because economics is based on four factors of production: it's land, it's labor, capital, and entrepreneur. So you know what I mean. To start a business, you need land, you need a space, an office, or a farmer, or what's. But you need basically a space, land. You know, where ozoqalela khona lelo business, or ekhaya uyashisela, but you need the land. And i-capital is either money or machines or ama-tools, and you need the labor. I-labor, it's you physically, you do the work, or uyaqasha abantu, you know. And entrepreneur, it has to be you owazi ngebhizinisi lelo lenzayo, entrepreneurship, you know. So i-business start as a whole, ikufundisa ukuthi how can you start a business from the scratch, you know. But unothisha abanaleyo information, but because batrickiwe this thing ukuthi leyo information can work for them if bengeke besabe just to go beyond their limitations, you know what I mean. Because kunabantu abasabayo to go beyond their limitations, basaba ukuriska information banayo, and they went to school for 3 to 4 years to grab that information, to accumulate that information, but they still average. And ubuka abantu more like most rappers from the USA, they come from the streets with no education. And the same example as Casper Nyovest, or didn't finish school, but today a musician, a multi-millionaire, uqasha financial advisors, managers, people who went to varsity to study management, to study financially, but yena uyabaqasha with no metric, with no qualifications. It's because of sebenzisa umqondo wakhe ne-risk. You know what I'm saying? So with time you grow, you learn, you know. So what I'm trying to say is people need to understand the psychology, the manipulation, because we're being deceived here, we're being manipulated, and we're not being told iqiniso. And iqiniso libalulekile, we have to be awakened, and we have to. But there is an African quote which has always been there, good to know themselves. You know, if you can't know yourself, people will tell you who you are. It's because of what bona they need you to believe. When what you believe with yourself, you have to know yourself. You have to know which one you're unlimited. You can be anything, you can be whoever you want. So people laughed at us when I hustle the sense of forex. I'm not just only with forex, bro. I've put the work. I know the direction I am consistently improving, because I'm changing the field, I'm changing the person that I am. So you cannot just win a Powerball, not to be a millionaire. You have to be a millionaire within you. Then your Powerball, imali yakhona ungayi-regenerate, reinvest it. But if you can't, uzovela kathi Victoria blow it, because awunaso skill, awunayo mentality to make that money work for you. Imali is a tool that can work for you. Imanipulate, ikusebenzele. So you can work, but on the other side, on a hustle, side hustle, you know, there's a lot you can do, but we're not being informed. And you're not lazy, it's just that what's information now. So people need to start to learn, need to research, because it is a manga to be comfortable around the manga. So now it's time to go beyond the limitation, which is start to ask questions. Direction. You cannot just wait for every fucking single morning for another person who relax my holiday when while you're working for 24 hours or in the overtime sometimes. Yena ulele orelaxile. Mawufika endlini, you have to think ukuthi kusasa uzocabanga uzo-improve kanjani umsebenzi wakhe. Yena doesn't even give a damn. Yena create a system, create a platform where wena ufitha income because you're desperate for imali. Let's not being desperate for imali. Let's being desperate for ukukhula mfethu. You know what I mean? So yeah, for me now, you have to understand money system, how money is. Imali mfethu trader, you know, not just to trade. Look in markets, but I'll try to explain you. It's to trade. Ukushintshana ngalokho nakho. Yebo ngikunika iskipa or isigqoko, unginikeza impuphu or ukudla. But ukuhamba kwesikhathi abantu babona ukuthi izinto esizishintshayo azilingani. So they need us to introduce something ezoba equal. Baqala basebenzisa ini? Basebenzisa usawoti. Abanye basebenzisa match. You know, ukuthembeka, trust. Imali is trust. In fact, trust. Basebenzisa manje, basebenzisa ukuthembeka. Abanye baqale ba-create isikwenetu ukuthi ngoba nginikeza leli jezi, you will work for me and I will pay you. Isikwenetu leso. Ngoba nginika leli jezi, fanele next month ube usunayo something ozonginika yona. You understand? Create money from out of thin, out of nowhere, from a bond, from isikwenetu, debts, credits. You know, that's money. You know what I mean? Because uyakwazi ukuyovula ikhadi phep, finish a shop, ungenayo imali. Because bayakuthemba ukuthi uyasebenza, approval yakho ukuthi uhambise nje i-credit yakho, credit score yakho, uhambise proof of resident, uhambise i-payslip, uhambise bank statement, then bek-approve, benginikeza impahla za 10,000, 20,000, uyithathe, then ukhokha kancane. That's money. So that money is created out of thin. Uyaya ebhenki uyoboleka imali. That money is created out of thin. So i-mentality needs to change. Money is not papers. Money is trust. Yeah, but so yeah, kuningi okwenzakala bafethu. We have to study money. Money is not just papers. Okay, from trading exchanges into abantu ba create usawoti, and some Roman empires, they've created a exchange of amasosha akhona bebewanikeza usawoti because usawoti une-value, awu expire, awuboli, you know, and introduce imali yesiliva, gold, golide lalibiza. So smart people grow when evolution, people evolve and people grow, people think igolide lalisinda. Laba imali igolide nalo laqala lasinda, babona abantu no, China ya create paper money ukuthi no, yazini asigcinele le golide, but lo $10, lo $5, lo 5 yen, lo 5 rand, lo 10 rand, lo 20 rand, uvele uyisho igolide kanje. Kuhamba kwesikhathi kwafika America ya create imali out of nowhere, fiat money. Bona they only print papers, imali yabo yangaveluathwa igolide. You understand? They create papers. They print papers each and every day. The system yashintsha. Even in South Africa, they print papers every day. Baboleka imali, imali nga exist. Siboleka Europe. But we have resources. We have gold, we have platinum, we have silver, we have uranium, we have everything that we need, bro. We have land, we have mines, we transport, but it's rely on boleka amaphepha. Fuck that shit, bro. What's going on with Laban? Boleka amaphepha, papers and coin, boleka imali in digital, be print imali. Anyone can print money if you need access. Just print numbers with 20 billion, so boleka South Africa. That's it. You know? But we're not being creative, we're not being like critically thinkers. We're just being obeying, listening to every bullshit. It's over awakened now, man. So this is Forex. This is my 8th year. I'm normally productive, profiting, losses, but I'm growing with time. After 20 years from now, I'll be a multi-millionaire. That's guaranteed, you know, future secured. Because I know my direction, I won't give up. It's not even a case that I won't give up. It's just that I'm growing with time. You know, while doing this, I'm locked in, I used to be on the streets, doing nothing, smoke weed, talking about beaches, booze, weed, all that bullshit stuff, gossiping, soccer. Those are distractions, bro. Those are things are just distraction. I need to look in and do the work, you know. And the more you grow, the more you learn, the more you become. Because what you put in your mind becomes you. It becomes your thinking, it becomes your habit, becomes your like your normally life. Even in nervous system, it becomes that automatically you don't react to bullshit, you react to what you are within you. So then you start to attract, because life is not out there, life is within you. Who you are is what you are. So above, so below. So people need to learn and know what is happening out there. You know what I mean? So we need to grow, bro. We need to try to invest our time in a good way, and make every second counts. You know what I'm saying? If you get money, make every dollar counts, every rand counts, every rand should have a mission. You know what I mean? So fuck that shit, bro. You know, I mean, I'm not gonna be deceived, bro. Just opened the company recently because of studying. I am into football. Football is part of the social impact, social responsibility. So I will write some emails, try to get responses from my company, because banama platform where they have to give back to society. You know, who CSI, socially, a corporation, socially, enterprise, it's environment, socially governance, you know, in socially department enterprise. Laba bakhanda ama-RDP, government khanda nama-RDP. Those money is money for community, so we need those money since ngikwi-sports, you know. And I'm not like finished, just open the company recent, and just open in the NPO, which is I'm growing. I'm still on my 30s. Ngizofika nini go 60. You know, I'm a billionaire. You know, I'm a trillionaire. I'm about to start my own. I already activated this thing in me. I've created the system where I know what this system is gonna be. It's gonna guide me towards what I wanna be, what I wanna become, who I am. In fact, because I am what I am. You know, I'm a totality of all there is. You know what I mean? Before identity and consciousness, so I have to impact my conscious and start to activate the person that I am, you know, the person that I supposed to be. I came here with a purpose, and I know myself now. And I'm not smart, you know. I used to be dummy, like not knowing anything. I used to have an ego. I was protecting my ego. I used to do a lot of bullshit stuff in the streets, but I wouldn't be the person that I am if I wasn't the person that I was back then, and the experiences that I accumulated there, and the person that I was, and this is the proof, this is the results of the person that I am. And I'm not saying I'm smart. I thank God for his blessing, for choosing me. You know what I mean? So yeah. So sometimes you have to acknowledge what is happening out there, because my energies are strong out there, which is bad energies, bad spirits. You know what I mean? You have to learn about all that shit. But you have to impact your inner being more than any other thing. You have to be strong mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. You know, you have to try to impact your life. Akushobile la ngaphandle bafethu kunzima. So akuningi nje engifuna ukusho, but engifuna ukusho ukuthi we have to become, you know, we have to become, because izinto ayizenzakalile. Yabo nje uma attract izinto ezibhedayo empilweni yakho, bona ngathi unamabhadi, it's because of the person you are, umuntu owuyena wena. Kumele uyishintshe wena ukuze izinto zishintshe. You know, izinto ayishintshi ngaphandle, zishintsha ngaphakathi. Wena once washintsha, nesihlahla siney'mpande, iy'mpande zikhanda isihlahla lezi ey'phezulu. Isihlahla siqala ngey'mpande, mase kukhandeka isihlahla, mase kukhandeka ama-fruits. You know, uma ngikhipha iy'mpande isihlahla siyapha, uma nginquma isihlahla siyaqhubeka isihlahla simile, because iy'mpande zizinzile. You know what I mean? So yeah. So ilokho nje ebengifuna uku-emphasize that this is your boy Snake Nation, nation of the gods. I represent the gods, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm God. I'm a creator, and I've created this life, and now I'm experiencing myself out of this life that I've created, because I'm a star being. I was created back then, you know, like billion years ago. I've created myself, and I possess this energy creation universe within me, which is ngicreate. That's why ngidala umlomo uyadala, basho njalo amazulu. Iqiniso lo lesikukhulumayo kuyenzeka ulimi. if nje uqhubeka layer by layer, step by step, kancane kancane, akukho kuvele kwenzeke nje first. You have to put the work, like unyaka wonke nje mangase uyijethi yazi lo nyaka nje ngifuna ukuba umunye umuntu, dedicate your time, uyivalele endlini ufunde. So sonke sasingazi lutho first, but we meaning to grow with time, because consistent is the very very important thing than any other thing. Ungazi ube deceive umuntu akutshele enye. Abantu first abasebenzayo bra, they are comfortable with 20,000 30,000, but that's a change. Kunefoni ka 30,000, ne-screens ka 30,000. I-mentality yakhe, indlela ocabanga ngayo, indlela obuka ngayo, it's limited to you. Mina I'm not limited, mina I'm a trillionaire. I'll create system. Sine opportunity yongena kwi-energy, sine opportunity yongena kwi-AI, kwi-technology, sine opportunity ungena kwi-trading, kuma-platform, social network, sine technology, sine opportunity to enter to mine, to companies, construction, bigger corporations, to banks. You know, we have a lot of opportunities out there which are waiting for us. And imfihlo ngizokutshela yona ukugcina ukuthi lo muntu ofuna ukuba uyena uyakho ngoba uyambona ukhona uyaphila. Okwakho ukuthi ufika kanjani kuyena. Umbuzo wakho ukuthi ufika kanjani kuye. Ngoba uyakucabanga, qala ukubhale phansi ukuthi mina ngiyayibona ngilo muntu. Usuku nosuku. After inyanga bro wami, ingqondo yakhe izoqala nginikeze impendulo ukuthi kuzube lo muntu automatically iyona isiyasebenza, idinga ukuthi wenze ukuthi nawe lokhu qhubekile. Ulokhusha iba lo muntu uqala ungakabo yana uyijathi mina ama-billionaire, I'm wealthy. Nathi saqala kanjalo, ama-affirmations, writing everything down, journaling, understand yourself, know their self, bro. So it's a lot. You need to put the work, bro. You need to work hard and become. At the end of the day, we are what we are, and we are what we not. We are not what we not. You know, we are what we are. So that's it. All the extra shit is gone, bro. We put the work. We after money. We after our dreams. It's not even if we after money or our dreams. We are our dreams. We are money. You know, just that good thing. Is okay, chap. Yes. Quantum physics isho njalo uthi i-reality yakho is catching up on you. You know what I'm saying? Ungangabona ushintsho, but there's a lot that is going on out there. You have to meditate also. Shout outs. It's your boy. Qhubeka ulandele leli page mfethu. Usubscribe because kune-information eningi, ulwazi olukhona kuleli page elizokwenza ukuthi one day ube i-millionaire. You know? Ngakhetha i-forex because i-forex ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngisebenze ngideposit account and ngi-traded. So okwakho ungezwa abantu bethi i-forex is scam. I-forex is a market, bro. Kunama-hedge fund, ama-big institutions, even ama-bank anama-platform of-trade. So there is money circulating umhlaba wonke, abantu bathenga ama-currency, you know. But you have to understand the forex in a deeper layer, like njengama-corporation, njengama-big institutions. Ungagcina ukuba i-trader. Mina nje Snake Nation Melanin Hedge Fund sazothenga ama-supercomputers. Fana nokuthi uma usebenza udinga imoto, udinga ispanel, udinga ini. Njengami ngoba ngispana la ku-forex, ngidinga ama-tools uku-analyze more, trade more. So abanye bagcina la i-level of your thinking. Mina angigcini unlimited. I need to become, because it's a billionaire industry le engikuyo njengamanje. So I see myself as abo Ray Dalio, abo Warren Buffett, you know, abo Jimmy Sachs, Golden Sachs.